family, what is good? Renee Box Young, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your love. We are one, as I always say. One love to you. I hope you guys are safe. I hope everyone's doing great. I want to get directly to this. As you can see here in the image I did here, that unfortunately, man, there's some sad news. We have a prospect who signed to Mayweather Promotions, passed away. You can see just by the photo, young age, young man, young champion, a lot of talent, passed away. Really sad stuff. Yeah, it's just sad, how 2020 has been going about, where to start, you know what I'm saying? If I'm not mistaken, earlier this year, if I remember correctly, in Mexico, a bus full of, amateur fighters, if I'm not mistaken, amateur, died. Several of them, not all of them. There was a bus accident here in Mexico. I covered that on my channel here, in English and in Spanish, if I remember correctly. And just a lot of sad things this year, unfortunately. And right here we can see from Mauricio Suleiman. It says, we are very sad to report the tragic death of boxer and top prospect Danny Gonzalez. Link in the description of the official profile here of Mauricio Suleiman. We send our deepest condolences and prayers to the Gonzalez family at his hard time. May Danny rest in eternal peace. I don't cover all, the deaths as far as with boxers, but, it just came about right now, and I felt like covering it. It's sad, man. I can't find the words here. We go further here. If you go to the, link in the description, like I said, about his signing. This was back in, I think in 2016, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but here, link in the description, dailymail.co.uk. Floyd Mayweather has signed 18-year-old phenomenon, quote unquote, Danny Gonzalez to Mayweather Promotions. Is quickly lavished praise on his young starlet. So the 39-year-old former boxer has 23 other fighters on his roster and took to social media to express his happiness at signing Gonzalez. So I mean, he was it was promising, man. Who he calls a force to be reckoned with. So I want everyone to help me by welcoming, et cetera, right? This young champ right here. So, I ask for you, lift up your prayers, man, for the family. Lift up your prayers. Really sad stuff, sad news, Links in the description of the articles. Y'all can check it out. And, there aren't really many words to say when it comes to these things. Prayers up for his family. It's so sad, and these kind of things make me reflect on my own life, make me reflect on, it's sad to see how young people, young potential talent, young, amazing, people pass away so young. It's just, there are no words. So, I mean, Renee Box Young, man, just want to make this quick. Thank you so much for your support. Love you guys. Stay safe out there, man. Take care.